In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change and customize Replit URL. We'll walk through changing the default URL of a Replit project and, if you want, claiming a custom domain using Replit's built-in option. You don't need any special tools. Just be signed into your Replit account and have your project ready to publish. Start on the Replit homepage. This is where all your projects live. Find the project you want to share publicly. In my example, it's called Prompt Site, but you can use any project you're ready to show to the world. Click to open it. Once your project is open, look for the Publish button. Depending on your layout, it may appear near the top right or in a side panel. Click Publish to open the publishing panel. This is where you can manage how your project appears online, and importantly, what URL people will use to visit it. In the publishing panel, you'll see a URL field highlighted. This is your project's shareable address on Replit. Click into that highlighted field and type the custom slug you want. Keep it simple, memorable, and relevant. Lowercase letters, numbers, and hyphens usually work best. Avoid spaces and special characters. If the name is already taken, try a variation or add a short descriptor. Replit will let you know if it's available. If you'd like a more professional web address, click the option that says, Claim your free domain up to $13. This is a Replit offer that gives you credit toward a custom domain for your project. It's optional, but it's a great way to get a cleaner, brand-friendly URL. When you click it, you'll see suggestions and a search box to check availability. From there, select the highlighted domain option you prefer. Make sure it matches the name you want people to remember. If a domain isn't available, try a different extension or a slight variation. Keep it short and avoid confusing spellings. Once you've chosen, follow the prompt to confirm the selection so it's tied to your project. When your URL or domain choice is set, click Publish again to finalize. Replit will build and deploy your site using the custom URL you entered, and, if you claimed one, the new domain will be connected. Give it a moment to finish. That's it. You've customized your Replit URL